My next technology is Seesaw. I really have enjoyed using this since we have been out of school. So this is the homepage of Seesaw, and my journal is I can see all the work that students have turned in. If there's a play button on students' work, it means they recorded a voiceover for their answers, or they recorded their ideas about the assignment. I can see all my students over here, how many items they've turned in. I click on activities. These are the current scheduled activities. And I can click on responses and see which students have responded and which ones have not. To add an activity, all you do is click the add button, assign activity, and my favorites are added to my library, or you can search in community, and there are hundreds and hundreds of resources. So I'll click English language for 2nd grade, and so if I want this one, favorite it, and it goes into my library, and then I can find it later on easily. If I want to assign something, I just click assign, and I can schedule it to appear on a certain day. So if I don't want to assign it right now, I can schedule it for Monday morning at 8 a.m. So you can plan ahead of time, which is nice. The other thing is I can leave, if I go back to my journal, I can leave comments on student work. I can like it, I can comment it, I can click this graduation cap here and say that they have succeeded with the cause and effect skill, and I can give them stars, and then I can check back later and see which students still need to work on those skills. If you want, you can get home learning codes to send home to your students so they can work on this at home, which is something that I did. And you can also invite families, and so each student you can invite family members to see their work using emails or phone numbers. So I chose Seesaw because it's easy for teachers and students to use. It has tons of educational activities already made to choose from. You can also make your own if you choose to do that. Students can record what they learn, keeps an organized journal of all activity, and parents can keep track of assignments as well and see what students are learning. Purpose was to introduce teachers and students to this tool that can provide much success. Audience was teachers and students, and then the standards inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. So I chose that one because it really allows for at-home and distance learning work. And then build the confidence and competency of educators to put the standards for students and educators into practice. And so I think Seesaw is a really easy website to work for teachers to become comfortable with using technology.